Okay class, take out your homework you did last night. Dark Chainsaw Consultant, where's your homework?
I destroy my homework.
Dark Chainsaw Consultant, this has got to be first time forget bring your homework. That's it, you will lose points your grade.
No. You can't take off points on my grade. That's it, take this you jackass.
Oh my god. Dark Chainsaw Consultant. How dare you give me the middle finger me off. That's it, go to principal office right now.
So Dark Chainsaw Consultant, my child. What bring you to my office today?
I forgot to bring my homework, and I give my teacher the middle finger.
What? You forgot to bring your homework, then you give your teacher the middle finger? Dark Chainsaw Consultant, you know that is important to bring your homework, and you know that you are not allowed give your teacher the middle finger. That's it, you are suspended for 3 months. Go home now, my child.
Dark Chainsaw Consultant, I cannot believe you forgot to bring your homework, gave your teacher the middle finger, and you got suspended for 3 months. You know that is important to bring your homework, and you know that you are not allowed to give your someone a middle finger. That's it. You are grounded for 4 weeks. Go to your room right now, or I will cut you with my chainsaw.
Yeah.